A house cat, smitten with her human owner, watched him daily, dreaming of a life together. So she begged the goddess of love, Aphrodite, to transform her into a human woman. Touched by her plea, Aphrodite transformed the cat into a stunning beauty. The young man was instantly captivated by her beauty and grace. Love swiftly blossomed, and the wedding is on the way. On their wedding night, as the new bride sat elegantly in the bedroom, Aphrodite released a mouse to test her pure nature. With a flick, a mouse was let loose. Old habits die hard. The bride pounced, reverting to her feline nature. Aphrodite turned the bride back into a cat. The man? Well, he got his pet back but lost his bride.